baking soda, fresh lemon juice. Okay, and it's interesting how many other survivors do this and how many doctors recommend this. Well, shall I say, not typically oncologists, but there's a doctor, I can't think of his name, but he beat stage 4 brain cancer in a very short time, which is just amazing. It's such a freaking blessing. And I beat stage 3 rare aggressive invasive cancer, triple negative breast cancer, lymph involved in 84 days. I'll celebrate 5 years in May of next year of being healthy. Feels so good to say that, which is also very rare. And there's another doctor that shares tips about this. And there's at least 3 or 4 other survivors that have had pretty good results or incredible results. And also do this same thing. You juice your lemon, either a big one or maybe 2 small ones. And then you put anywhere from like a half teaspoon to a teaspoon of baking soda. Make sure it's 100% sodium bicarbonate. Depending upon whatever brand you want to use, just make sure that that's the only ingredient. You mix it, you're gonna see it bubble over like this did, and you're gonna shake it all up. And then once it stops bubbling, you're just gonna take it like a shot. And one of the doctors say to take it on an empty stomach, but if you're fasting for 17 plus hours, you don't wanna come out of a fast with this. I find it to be too harsh. Typically, when I'm gonna come out of a fast, one of the easy ways to break it is with bone broth as the first thing. And I have a bone broth that I love, love, love and recommend. Hopefully I remember to tag them. I use that every day. But sometimes, you can do it when you wake up on an empty stomach. But again, not if you're fasting for long periods of time. And so I try not to set so many rules, because when you set so many rules, you're not gonna do things, right? So I actually just had dinner. It did not work out today that I did it this morning because of all the other strategies that I'm doing. And I'm about to start a 17-hour fast. This is gonna be the last thing that I consume, because we have to have flexibility. It's too hard and it's about the grace and flexibility. Hope this helps you today.